Hi guys, this is our instructor Asma Mushtaq, and in today's tutorial I'm going to explain how you can add the mathematical expressions or equations or any technical or mathematical equations that are actually helpful or related to the advanced mathematics on the WordPress. And for this I'm just going to explain you a very simple way, although there are many other ways around already existing, but I'm going to just let you know a very simplest one. The first and foremost thing is you need two things. First one is obviously the Microsoft Word, where you can write the mathematical expression by using the insert equation options, and the second tool is mathpix snipping tool. This tool is freely available and this will help you to convert the mathematical expression into Latex code that you can actually use for adding the equations on the WordPress. So let's just do an example. Let's suppose I want to add the quadratic equation. Okay, and here you can see this is the mathematical expression that I want to insert on the WordPress. What I will do, if you have installed the mathpix snipping tool, all you just need is to press Control Alt and M, and in this way you will be selecting the particular equation area for which or that which you want to add on the WordPress, and then you will just see a window pops up, and here you will be having different latex codes for it. I will be using the last one for adding the equations on the WordPress. So let's just copy it and go to the WordPress. Here you will first go to the text option and then you will just paste the copied text. And if you preview this, you can clearly see the quadratic equation is added. Thank you for watching. Take care.